What makes a good cleaning operative? Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Hello again and welcome to another new cleaning video in our channel FastKlean. We always encourage you to watch every video in this channel till the end to learn more about effective cleaning. If you are working with a cleaning company providing services for your home or office, you know just how important it is to rely on them. Cleaning residential or commercial premises is what such companies do best with the aid of their cleaning operatives. Thus, it is the individual cleaner and the effort they put towards the job that makes a cleaning service good or bad. It is especially important to count on good cleaners when you are looking to book such services. There are a few distinct traits that will show you whether the cleaner deserves your trust and whether they are a good representative of their company. Here is a quick rundown. Number 1. Consistency. Sometimes cleaners will give their best to make an outstanding first impression just so you can book their service, only to follow up with a mediocre result soon after. A good company employs cleaners who maintain high standards of cleaning because it is consistency that matters most in this industry. That is especially important for regular domestic cleaning services, where you are more than likely to get the same cleaner coming to your place to perform their duty. If their work is not consistent, then you are better off switching them with another. Number 2. They are punctual. A good cleaner is never late. That is one of the things a cleaning company should be adamant about, their cleaners showing up at the exact time, without delays. But punctuality goes well beyond that. Apart from showing up on time, a good cleaner needs to be great at timekeeping too. You have booked their services for a certain amount of time. You expect them to work for that much and get the job done. If they leave early or come late, then that is not very good of them. Number 3. Discretion. You are letting the cleaner in your home. You don't know them, but you trust that they have discretion and will not snoop around. A good cleaner is one that doesn't allow sensitive information to leave the home or office they are cleaning. Even if it doesn't seem like a major deal, they should not talk about it. Discussing or taking a photo of something is not professional and doesn't speak well for them as a cleaner and a person in general. Number 4. Attention to detail. Another great trait of a cleaner is their attentiveness. In fact, it is one of the most important traits. Dealing with the minor details surrounding cleaning could mean a world of difference to the end result. You don't want to look at an area or item that seems clean. You want to look at actual cleanliness, which requires attention to detail. A great cleaner is someone that sees what needs cleaning, even when you do not. When they possess attention to detail, they will truly be able to impress you. Number 5. Endurance. Cleaning is no sport, but it does take the form of physical work, which can often be exhausting. A good cleaner is one that doesn't have to take a break every half hour. They need to have the endurance required to deal with the job quickly and effectively. Number 6. They must be trustworthy. Last, but definitely not least in importance comes trustworthiness. In many cases, you will trust the cleaner with keys to your home, which speaks volumes just how trustworthy they must be. Also, if there is an accident of any kind, they should be upfront and tell you so that you can resolve the issue with minimal damage. As you can see, there are a lot of qualities that make a great cleaner. Look for them in the professional you are working with, and you will know you have found the right one. Why don't you consider the help of trained cleaning professionals, the ones that work at FastKlean? Our company can help you deal with all aspects of cleaning. Simply call 020-8884-9149 or visit fastklean.co.uk. Sign up for our masterclasses and learn how to create a toxin-free environment at home or any business premises. Watch our other videos and learn more eco-friendly cleaning tips. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Thank you for watching, and until next time, create a greener and healthier future.